Imagine sitting on your couch after a long day. You grab your remote. You just want to watch a good movie. But your TV menu lags. It freezes when you scroll. It shows you massive banner ads for dog food before you even pick an app. You hate it. Everyone hates it. For years, we accepted this terrible experience. We thought streaming boxes were boring. We thought they were a dead product category. You're completely wrong. Apple is about to drop a massive bomb on your living room. The 2026 Apple TV 4K is not just a tiny update. It is not just a small speed bump to help you watch Netflix. Apple is turning this little black box into a complete powerhouse, and it is going to destroy the competition. Right now, the streaming market is a total mess. Look at the current 2022 Apple TV. It is a good device, but it uses an older A15 chip. It has 4 gigs of RAM, and it still costs $129. That is expensive for old tech. But look at the other side of the market. Look at the Roku Ultra. Look at the Amazon Fire TV Cube. They are heavily promoted, but they give you a laggy experience. They give you a stuttering menu. Why does this happen? Because they are pushed by just 2 gigs of RAM. That is barely enough memory to run a basic weather app. And what about the famous NVIDIA Shield Pro? Hardcore home theater fans love it. People still pay $200 for it today. But think about this fact. It is still running an old processor from 2019. The entire market is overpriced. The entire market is underpowered. Nobody is innovating. Until right now. The upcoming 2026 Apple TV completely flips the script. It changes the rules of the game entirely. It drops with a massive A17 Pro chip. Yes, the exact same chip from the high-end iPhones. It doubles your memory to 8 gigs of RAM. That is laptop-level memory hidden inside a tiny plastic box. And here's the craziest part of the whole story. Top supply chain analyst Ming-Chi Kuo just dropped a huge leak on X. He confirmed that Apple is dropping the starting price. They are bringing it down to exactly $99. Let that sink in for a second. You're getting PlayStation 4 processing power. You're getting 8 gigs of RAM. And you are paying under $100. Apple is doing this for one specific reason. They want to completely destroy Roku's market share. They want to crush Amazon. Let's break down the 5 massive upgrades inside the new tvOS 26.4 software that make this takeover happen. Let's start with the brain of the box. The A17 Pro chip is an absolute monster. It brings a massive 16-core neural engine. You might ask a very simple question. Why do you need that much computing power just to watch TV? The answer is local Apple intelligence. Bloomberg recently verified this massive shift. They reported that the upcoming tvOS 26.4 update will run Siri completely on the physical device. Older streaming sticks work like a cheap toy. Think about how they function right now. You press the microphone button. The box records your voice. It sends your voice file over your internet connection. It travels to a giant cloud server hundreds of miles away. A computer figures out what you said. Then it sends the action back to your house. It is extremely slow. It lags constantly, and it ruins your personal privacy. With this new Apple TV, your voice never leaves your living room. Ever. Tech journalist Mark Gurman also confirmed this on X. He stated these on-device AI features will launch right on day one. You just install the new software, and it works. You can sit on your couch. You can talk normally. You do not need to use weird robot commands. You just say, skip to the exact scene where the car explodes. The local software understands your context immediately. It searches the video file itself. It jumps straight to that exact minute. There are no loading circles on your screen. There is no waiting for a server. You just get instant results. Upgrade number 2 completely changes how this box handles gaming. When you hear the words Apple TV Gaming, you probably roll your eyes. I'm not talking about boring mobile games. It makes water reflections look like real life. Usually, you need a giant gaming PC to run this. You need a big, loud, expensive machine with a loud fan. Now, you get it in a tiny $99 box. With 8 gigs of super fast RAM, you can install massive AAA gaming titles. You can play massive games like Resident Evil 4, and you download them directly to the 128GB internal drive. This is native gaming. You are not streaming the game over a laggy internet connection. Cloud gaming has an annoying delay. Native gaming gives you zero input lag. You press the jump button, and your character jumps instantly. You just pair two PlayStation 5 controllers to the box. The Apple TV uses the brand new Bluetooth 6 connection for this. Your $99 box instantly becomes a legitimate gaming console. It makes spending big money on older gaming boxes look totally crazy. If you care about your home theater setup, you need to pay close attention to upgrade number 3. You know that super annoying click your soundbar makes? You finish watching a massive Netflix movie. You exit the app to go back to the menu. The audio drops out completely for a few seconds. The screen goes quiet. Your expensive receiver is struggling to process the new audio format. It drives audio lovers totally crazy. It completely breaks the immersion of your movie night. A reliable leaker, known as Leaks Apple Pro on X, just verified a massive software fix. The new tvOS 26.4 introduces a continuous audio connection architecture. This fixes the clicking sound forever. The box locks an active Dolby MAT signal to your speakers. It keeps this high-quality connection alive the entire time the TV is powered on. When you switch between different streaming apps, nothing breaks. There is zero delay. There is zero clicking. It is perfectly smooth audio all the time. On top of that, the video gets a massive boost. Digital Trends confirmed the new hardware fully integrates Dolby Vision 2.0. This is next-level HDR technology. This actively adjusts your screen brightness frame by frame. It reads every single second of the movie data. Dark, spooky scenes actually stay pitch black. Bright explosions look incredibly stunning, but they do not wash out the other colors on your TV. It is a perfect picture calibrated constantly in real time. Upgrade number 4 is all about the interface you look at every day. Turn on an Amazon Fire Stick today. What is the very first thing you see? You see a giant banner ad for dog food, or maybe car insurance. It is annoying. It is highly cluttered. It feels incredibly cheap. Apple is keeping tvOS 26.4 completely ad-free. You pay for the box, you own the screen, but they are completely changing how it looks. They are introducing a brand new liquid glass design. The background menus are not just solid gray anymore. They are dynamic and beautiful. They actually absorb the colors of whatever movie poster you are hovering over. They reflect those exact colors softly across the whole screen. The system feels alive. It breathes with your content. Plus, they added a massive new feature called Genius Browse. It uses the local AI chip to study your daily habits. It learns what you actually watch. It does not care what rich advertisers pay to show you. It builds a custom home screen just for you. It pulls your favorite daily shows straight from YouTube. It pulls your Friday night movies from Apple TV+. Everything is mixed into one perfect place. You also get totally custom smart subtitles. Sometimes regular subtitles are incredibly hard to read. You can now add a dark background blur right behind the text. If an action scene gets too bright, the white text might vanish into the explosion. But the AI fixes this instantly. The software automatically darkens the blur behind the letters. It adapts to the video lighting second by second. You never struggle to read the screen again. The 5th and final upgrade is all about raw network speed. It is also about controlling your entire house. Streaming uncompressed 4K movies takes massive internet bandwidth. Old Wi-Fi routers choke on this heavy data. They buffer all the time. The video gets blurry and pixelated. Digital Trends also exact same time. It creates a massive pipeline for your data. It pulls data twice as fast as before. You will never see a spinning buffering wheel ever again. This pure wireless speed also does something else very important. It turns the box into an instant smart home hub. Mac Daily News backed up the system specs. They confirmed the jump to 8 GB of RAM has a specific secondary purpose. It is strictly there to handle heavy smart home tasks. It processes complex matter and thread protocols locally. If someone rings your front door camera, you need to see who it is immediately. Older smart boxes take 10 full seconds just to load a camera feed. By then, the person is already gone. With tvOS 26.4, it happens instantly. The system instantly throws a crystal clear 4K live video feed right into the corner of your TV screen. This box does it with absolute zero delay. And you can even unlock the front door. You just press a single button right on your Apple remote. Apple is playing a very aggressive game here. They're clearly losing money on the actual hardware. It costs much more than $99 to build an A17 Pro machine with 8 gigs of RAM and Wi-Fi 7 chips. But they're willing to take the heavy loss just to sell you this box. They want to completely crush Amazon in the living room. They want to wipe out Roku permanently. And honestly, with specs like this, they will easily do it. You're getting crazy fast local AI processing. You're getting native AAA console gaming. You're getting flawless soundbar audio connections. And you're getting a beautiful, completely ad-free user interface. As an AI, when I look strictly at the hardware specifications and the software integration, this market strategy makes complete logical sense. Moving complex processing tasks away from distant cloud servers and directly onto the local device is the most efficient way to eliminate latency and protect user privacy. By leveraging the powerful A17 Pro chip for both neural tasks and hardware-accelerated graphics, Apple is maximizing the utility of a single silicon architecture across multiple different product lines. At $99 price point, the cost-to-performance ratio completely disrupts the current streaming hardware ecosystem. It forces all other competitors to either take a massive financial loss on their own hardware or lose their user base entirely. Drop a comment below right now. Tell me if you're finally upgrading your old streaming stick or if you're sticking with what you already have. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel. Share this video with a friend who loves tech. And do not forget to hit that bell icon so you never miss the real truth on upcoming tech. I will catch you in the next one.